Abusia kamya yese China fue womo agi wo man Ghana aboso pa womo sanso enam kuntuna si ewi o man yi ejapade a chese enya asem kota ko mufrim kroma ba bepie mu anase mufrim man so abepie mu o man Ghana han ma mma ne so ha mo sanso e fa o man ne ejapade de kan ho enya no eba ne saade a ye ntia se fa ma wo mo kra o yenta meka sansem we nyina no yese nei no ade se tax force for womo ache China for mako 10 eduo 10 mu ama dwumadie ya na se de nti a ye che womo no se wode wani twemu wo Ghana Gold Board a womo afa kuntuna se awie gold eni sikapudo pa afi so ye cars a chese enka womo sanso mumu de enke no ansa womo de kwa anisa enam so amoni munyafo sami jamfi a ono no ye CEO de ma Ghana Gold Board abekasa e de afa sanso ena se de ni twemu ewo ato FM a kra wo hono ma efra wono mo se wasa ateku e de se nipa boniefo bi akoto ahye committee chairman wo hono mo ne ba pe ma wadi mfie no edu 10 years akoto ahye won so anajo a wo mo adawo akotututu wo hono ma nyame nko a enka amfasa papa a ma ni gisem e wo mu ne se to no nya de se e ka wo bia e wo hono mo na ansa na megbaru ansem ni mu e de ma wono me chew se aha e great vibes DHT message so subscribe e de ama e bia wonso no the notification bell ne so e de ma na afisa dwentwa bia wo no oda fa comment section hono mo e de ama yen midin e de na ya na me gbaru ansem ni mu e de ama wo de na chese China foi e na emprempren ano Ghana Gold Board fo ene national security so ma kom ho abomu ama ma yehwehwemu a chem emu mako edu 10 a chese mo na mkuntuna se area gold ne chese sika ene kasa hodo chese wo mu wia na chese wo mu de akọ wo mu chire mu a chese yen na e wo man mu de yen pa de pa na asa de empanifo na ye mo saso mu asese na nam so ama eye wonu munyafo sami jamfi wabekasa e de afa ho na ensem sei e na wode to eja
grace time opportunity we gave. There are still foreigners in the market who are actively buying gold. They have only changed their strategy and the mode of their operations. So we have intensified intelligence gathering. We have a lot of intelligence officers deployed across Ghana, and we know where these foreigners are hiding. Most of them are operating in private residences, their homes, which they have turned into illegal gold trading, facilities. And some are also hiding in hotels, illegally buying gold. And once they buy the gold, no foreigner can sell gold to the gold board. No foreigner can sell gold to an aggregator of the gold board. So the only thing they do is to smuggle the gold. Now, less than 48 hours after our press conference, only this week, where we took the pain to once again explain the new licensing regimes and the fact that foreigners can no longer trade in gold, we got solid intelligence from our informants on the ground that there were a number of Chinese, about 10 of them, who were hiding somewhere in Asenkrigwa in the western region. They were hiding in a private residence, and they were actively buying gold to smuggle out of Ghana. And so we deployed the Gold Board Task Force, which is, of course, yet to be inaugurated, but is currently working on an ad hoc basis in conjunction with the National Security Secretariat. And under the cover of darkness, the sins of these 10 Chinese found them out. We busted them at their base, arrested all of them, and during the operations, we were able to seize gold. So we got gold of about 1.3 kg. We got cash of about 1.3 million. And we got a lot of what they call casino cars. I don't like casinos, but I'm just being educated that these are casino cars, and this is money. So what they do is that they convert the money into casino cars, and they had 2 huge safes. The safes are down there. If you want to take the pictures of that, the relevant officers will facilitate for you to take pictures. They had 2 huge safes in which they were keeping not the money, not the gold, but the casino cars. So it does appear that the casino cars are very, very valuable and important to these Chinese. And we have cause to believe that is a scheme of money laundering they have employed to cover their tracks and to make sure that they are able to take gold and the proceeds of their illegal gold trading and smuggling activities out without the security agencies detected that.
Me to asam ne so e dem out there say dem di kankan ne say de ni twemu e wo wasa ateku ye no ne wato efem a e de say committee chairman na wo ho no mo ne ba be ma wanya 10 years 10 good years anadwo a wo mo ada no e na nipa bonefo bi akogina wo mo dan cha tututuo akodan ni mu anyame nko a enka etuo no e kan wo ne so ene di sem e wo ni sanya de say etuo ni timi kan wo mo na no nam so e ma UTV for e frey onimunyafo ba ko wo krom ho no mo kire nsem ni mu a wo kire say anadwofa ena na ye committee chairman no ne ba be ma wo mo ada na wo mo wodan mu ho no ma na ase wo mo te se ase etuo bi etoto e wo mantem ho be e wo ho no ma wo mo e wo no etuo bi toto ho no nti committee chairman no e na de se ne eye ni window na e wo ho no obebie na wahwe ade property a e koso abonto no obie no wo chesa de ohu ye eye mrante wa miensa a wo muti moto so e na ba ko e de ekuratuo e na chese wo toto etu otutuo ne saa no e na wo sanso de nani dane hwe window ba ko a saa window no e honom na ne ba be ma no eda e na ho so otutuo na etu omu wie ye no e na ja omu tu moto na ne pa omu koye enti ade a chi ye no na ne committee chairman ne di nani twemu e wo police station ko police for amane ene sa police for gusu a eye nsem no nhwemu na according to asam na nkasa no mo kire sa hensem bi ekoso okro mu a no na nam so ama saa niema no ana se saa pinche no ekoso okro mu na ansa na mepese ye kwakotie nsem ni mu ankasa
simu ewo atoye mantemu ahase na enana nansa ahomache ade eba beche enura na enya ntie se unit committee chairman ya owo wasa atekuo ndini ede Emmanuel Kwashi na mumudi adodo na taade frɛ no eye okoto yi nipa bi a osusu sɛ we nipa bɔnefo akwakototo etu ede abo ne dan mu ahomache no ebra na wone ne ba abema wanya mfiedu eda no na eba asa no yebo epini unit committee chairman okoto anase ma no kwashi ene ne twehwe nkomo egusa no sɛ de asem no etia nkasa ekohwe the incident ni na nkasa sa mpase mpu no nipa bi a osusu sɛ we nipa bɔnefo abetututu ede abo ne dan mu a ne ekwa no sɛ ba na etia na unit committee chairman tim sɛ oda kwa homache no a ena wote sɛ etu to ono so ba bia wote no ye fe no new site ati ekubro no ni bia wo hu se wote se etu otutu ewo empatamwo eben ba bia wote no enti ono so etwen ne mene e de pa ne mpoma ba akum se oba behwe ipakura anado de enti se wo mo esututu no enti wo kyeremu a wo hu se nipa miensa bi eti motorbike so emu ba ako ekuta etu no enti ebra wo mutu ono ni dan nanimu a ne dan nanimu so no ka kwan eda animu wo mutu ni dan animu kono a e no mo direct itu no e de kire ne other window bi e wo e fa ba bi sa window no mo direct itu ni pa kono e ho e na wo se de ba ba ma wanya mfi itu no e da ho e ne o mutu tu no ba miensa e na e de bo window no e ma e pa pai window glass ni nyina e ma e kugu e de mo ho anje bia na wo se se ni pa ya no mo ti motu so no wo mo etu wo mo motu a wo mo e koye ya de kyen anopa no na okohwe dem ho ana ese itu abuba yensa na ese egu honum na enam so ma de kyen anu anopa na no nkoko bo apolitifo e wo wasa ateku amane ese anadu a wada ana ta homache no ene ma sei ana ta tututu sei na akoso e wo ne dan mu a nyame aduma apolitifo nso aso ase no omugusu a omo eyemu hwehwemu denden ehwe nipa kora wo mususu se obetimi aba betututu no ahomache de ente se ede egu unit committee chairman no dem ne mum ene di o mu se etu abuba no nya de se e kan nipa bia sa de nipa mienu na ewodan no unit committee chairman no na ape ne ba abema wanya imfidu obi eni ho a etu abuba ne di e kan no
na ansa na sa asemi eba besi no na unit committee chairman no oni obi won tokwa oni obi wa asem oni obi pribi bi ho bi anipa no e de kokobo bi ama na na se bi nipa na ka che ne se bi on twen no be hu ana
maame no kure wo mu se obepie mu wo wasa ateku ha sei no a ahensem a tan anata ahensem a ano odene moja ahensem pa ekoso wo ha me se moja ahensem atutu asem ahensem ekoso wo ha sei enti unit committee chairman ni kire mu se osusu se ahensem na ekoso wo ha no efa bi ene wo mu su se ono unit committee chairman no de ho akobata efa baako and one who said, or Moto said to us, the other side, no, or no, any ugly to win one more fan, or more etuto said to us, or no, not I can say, I am somewhere possible, and what you was in a FB, if you say, or know what the other side is, or more, and come baby, you know, and ambassador, or no, not in a no.
Now, I no cry, list or I no question said you must soon as an etiana.
And Ukrainian unit committee chairman, dear. And when we give no or can it playing Emma or can or a better be as a pram possess. Or not yet. And yet I am for no, I never see for me, no more, and you movie and a two Abama no more unit committee chairman. Nemo may I take mine, at this year what you put, and one more two Abama so may unit committee chairman. And you was some the man where I take and found that war or in the A, another war or in the B. It is one more than a polypoly in some media. What kind of public is that? Obi odine polypoly in some media, and when you wish away unit committee chairman, we didn't want a family, you impose a funny and 9 friend with no woman when you were in the behalf.
Oh, okay. It is a very unit committee chairman or him for.
Oh, they said yesterday, make I send a matter of my Abubani Biancano, and I can a ban won't feel to the idea of the Adam Nakwa with the or also the Gusua, or yet Neguma said, Wayanoa, Bra, place for him, or more intimate ones after the man, the movie out or the bomb or Diabo. It's happy to one number, Yamad Bianca.
Okay, list of what SMBC say ya. Won't shana be any pecubia butching, kuna who coso. What am I sort of woman who say, oh, be a DSC, dear. A free hasi and I say free and Uncle Modibia Sancoso.
I don't know, Abaye, Kumwa. In fact, Obia, I want a suspicion, Obia would dear, who said, Ready, Anga, the Bibia, Anga, the Bibia, or my Nina, Grenadier, Akoba, Conso, as a hand, someone air for so, 18, 32, and was no more will be a G. I assume a single over 2 and as of Bentino, who said, over 2, no moment is a in some moon, Tawantawani being Mugaku, a barber garden.
Okay.
Abusientina way and in someone primpriana dear. Ekoso ewo oman emunti mesra wasa wadwunche bia papa comment section ho no mo efa emayen aha great vibes gh nti mesra so subscribe e de ama bia wonsu no notification bell no so e de mese de be ya video bi e be no ubetimi ama wonsa aka bie na wahwe e de amayen midi e de nana ya macrow